Hey everyone, Not Too Dead here. Got another special unboxing from Southern Specialties. All kinds of cool custom stuff in there and gear. So let's blast off and get this going. Oh. Hey, a little sparkle for everybody tonight. So, all right, with no further ado, let's get in here and check this out. Oh no, it went right through the sticker. Well, poor aim on that one. I'm sorry, guys. Right in the eye. Oh, there we go. We got a new red eye to take its place. An angry eye. Alrighty. Well, let's see what we got here. I got one of their cool covert belts. Pick that up. I gotta take this out. I'm sorry, guys. Oh, it's not that bad. Every time I look at that now, I'll remember this video. So this isn't your ordinary belt, though. It has a cool little zipper along the back side. I've been super excited to check this out, try it out. I used to have something similar to this years ago. Bison brand, made in USA. Yeah, so there'll be a follow-up video on that with some more information. I'm super stoked about that one, guys. There's all kinds of goodies to go inside there, too. Let me open this up real quick. Just gonna open it off screen because there's some packing stuff in there and things. Ooh, look at those red eyes. Or a red and a blue. Ooh, those are pretty sweet. Get some ash on that one. All right. So let's get in here and check this out. I don't even know where to begin. Oh my goodness. These are something very interesting. Huh. I don't think I ordered that one. Well, I know I didn't order that one. So these here are their auto jigglers. Cool little assortment of profiles. When I say little, there's quite a bit on here. So I've been gathering some auto locks and asking them permission to try, them on different people's vehicles, things like that. They have junk cars, stuff sitting around. So gonna be giving these a try soon. Super cool. Those are a lot bigger and nicer than I thought they would be. And then we got some other goodies in here. The elevator key. And please use this responsibly. That's for emergency uses and things like that only. Money belt, it's called. Alright, we gotta check these jigglers out now, too. It's a double-sided jiggler set. These are sweet. That is absolutely amazing. Those are just huge. Nice grip on them, too. I really like that. And then we go. I'm going to leave the key in here. Actually, we'll open it up real quick. And then we got some new profiles from Southern Specialties. This one is what I was calling and naming the Nessie. Kind of looks like the Loch Ness monster coming out of the water. All the little humps. Thought that was super cool. And then these are some other type of jigglers, and auto jigglers is what Aaron said they kind of designed them for. So super excited to try these. And the ripple handle, really, really cool. Man, I don't even know where to go. Everything's here is so cool. And then these are some profiles for the Stu-Pick. For the X-Acto handle or Fiskars with the X-Acto knife, and substitute it for some of these. Looks like some of these might even be titanium, some stainless. So super excited to try these out. I like that one. That one's really slim. narrow. I haven't had that one before. So we'll be trying those out soon too on the stew pick. And then we have some really cool riveted jiggler sets. In these for sure will be going into the belt. Different type of automotive jigglers and sorts. All the same sorry, I was a little off screen there. All the same profiles I think are in here, plus maybe a couple extras. Some tried and true and tested profiles. Super cool. Thank you guys for that. Check their other site out too, Hard Case Survival. All kinds of cool gear on there. One of the Z-bar tension sets. Wanted to get an extra one of these. I've got one set already, but just their regular Z-bars. Really good tension wrenches though. I shouldn't say just. These things rock. Alright, we're going to save that for last. Or, shoot, I don't know. I know what both of these probably are, and... well, I know what they are, but... oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I just saw already. Aaron, my man. Oh my goodness. He put the Not Too Deads. Oh, come on. Focus! That is super cool. Trying to get that to focus for you guys. Look at that. It's almost like the Metallica star of Not Too Deads. Wicked sick. No way. And he did it down here too. Look at that. Aaron, dude. Southern Specialties, you guys freaking rock. This is the compact version of the tubular pick. I mean, look at that. That's super small. And wicked sweet. Love that. I've been so excited to get that. A little accessory kit with it and stuff like that. I think that's a converted from 7 to 8 pins. Alright. These are what I've been really excited about. So I got a couple titanium tension wrenches from them before. Well, we were waiting on some different thicknesses to come in. So now I have a 4-piece titanium anodized custom Not Too Dead set. The only one out there from Southern Specialties. 4 different thicknesses, all titanium, wicked lightweight. Everyone's slightly different tone and color for easy identification. These are freaking beautiful, guys. I love it. And like I said, they're Z-bar wrenches. These ones are a little bit longer too than the traditional ones. It's one that isn't on the site yet, but if you ask Aaron, he'll hook you up with them. And then, oh, and like a nice aqua green kind of titanium. The Nessie Bogota. If you guys know me, you know I got all sorts of Bogotas from Southern, and I really love them. This, I cannot wait to try this thing. Stu has been using it. He got his last week, I think, and he's been just slaying some locks and loving it. Wicked cool stuff. Reach out to these guys if you guys want to get some cool custom stuff done. I mean, awesome people to work with. Alright, let's try to check these out here. Ooh, the elephant. Is it coming in? The elephant trunk Bogota. Oh, and each one's slightly different colored for identification. That one's more of like a gem style. And then one of the auto jigglers in the Bogota. Super excited to try all this stuff out and check it out. Check them out, guys, if you haven't yet. Southern Specialties. Let them know Not Too Dead sent you. Might get a little something extra in your order. And don't forget the code PICKME for 10% off. PICK space ME. Oh, 10% off, no limit, lifetime code. Southern Specialties, you rock, guys. Thank you so much. They got all kinds of cool handcuff stuff, things like that, handcuffs, anything you want from them. You reach out. If there's a profile you want on a certain type of handle or anything, something you really like, these guys will make the magic happen for you, all right? So have a good night, everybody. Take care.